Today I'm going to be unboxing the bakery shop starter set from Sylvanian Families. Well, on the top of our cover side we can see with brown wooden sign on which is the title Bakery Shop Starter Set. And we can also see with red roof and lots of the delicious pieces through our transparent box. And here in the right low corner you can see an oven in which you can make the panda-shaped bun from the flatbread roll. And you can also twist with leather, which is really cool. Next we can see with green grass with lots of pastel flowers design and the picture of free chocolate in the baker's costume nearly to the red roof cozy cottage, which is already a bakery on this picture. And now let's check out what's on the next side. And here we can find that the drawer on our cash box can open. Moreover, you can see all of the bakery stuff, which with satin cleats, and red chocolate in the baker's costume, which is rolling out the dough. And what's on the back side? Wow! So here we can see lots of different interesting pictures of Fred, which is wearing the baker's costume, and our bakery with its new visitors. And here are all of the sets with which you can connect our bakery shop starter set. And next we can see all of the contents, which are satin cleats. Wow, here are so many different yummy bakery stuff. And there's nothing interesting on the top of our box. So now let's get started our unboxing. So here are all of the things we got, and I really like the bright yellow background with lots of different buns, breads, cookies, croissants, and so on. And now let's take all the pieces out from here. For you to take all of the buns out. And now let's put all the necessary things on our stand. everything's on this stand. And I'll also put one bun in the basket for visitors. And here is our lovely cash box, which can open by such case. And here is our red oven, which you can open by such case and close. And it also has with drawer for something to make your bakery stuff, and with lever you can twist by such case, and something's happening in here, I think. So now let's try it. I'll take with tray, and then I'll put with random bun on this side, and from this side it looks by such case. So now let's try to put it in the oven. How to do it? Well, I'll try by such case. As you can see, it looks so. And now let's close our oven. And now let's twist our lever and open our oven. Yay! And we also have with beige wooden table to make your bakery stuff on it, with flatbread roll, which you can roll in here by such case, for example. And we also have with gray forceps and with baker's uniform. Well, I took with Corgi Boy for example to show you how with baker's uniform will looks on Sylvanian. Oh, I fell in love with Corgi in his new uniform. He looks so handsome and so cute. I also decided to take with Molfather, for example, as a visitor, and now show you our new bakery set completely. Well, leave your opinion about the set in the comments. To support my channel, click like, and bye!